Hi, this is second video of shape around us, the standard. See here triangle is there, three corners are there. Number of sides, see 1, 2 and 3. And number of corners, 3. 1, 2, 3. And number of diagonals, we can't write diagonals because there is no opposite corners, so it is 0. And see number of sides, 0. Number of corners 0, number of diagonals 0. What is stance? The 7 pieces are called tans. The 7 pieces are called tans. Define tangram. The tangram is a set of 7 flat shapes. These shapes can be arranged in different ways to create shapes that resemble animals, birds and buildings. See, tans, the 7 pieces are called tans. 7 pieces means what? You have to understand from this figure. See here, this is called 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the tans. And what is done by tans? It is a cat. This is called tangram. We can create animals or buildings, rabbit, like that. We can create so many things. This is called tangram. Answer the following. I have 4 sides. My opposite sides are equal. I have 2 diagonals. Who am I? So, how many corners do I have? There is a question. See, I have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. My opposite sides are equal. So, take 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. I have 2 diagonals. See, 2 diagonals are there. Who am I? What is this? Rectangle. How many corners do I have? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 corners are there. I have 4 sides. My all sides are equal. I have 2 diagonals. Who am I? See, square. We know that square. See, 4 sides are there, 4 corners are there. All sides are equal. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So this is called a square. How many types of views? There are 3 types. Top view, front view, side view. Top view means what you see when you look at something from directly above. When you are moving in helicopter, what you saw in down, that is called top view. The building looked like a square. This is called a top view. Or you can see the bus from front. This is called a front view. A view from the front side. This is called a front view. And side view. A view from the side. Bus, you can see the bus from the side. So this is called a side view. So we have 3 types of views, that is top view, front view and side view. What is face? A face is a flat shape that makes up one surface of a solid shape. See here a face. This is called a face. What is edge? The line where 2 faces meet is called an edge. See, this one face and this one face is meeting here, so it is called a edges. Define corner. The point where the edges meet is called, see, the point where the edges, this is called edges. The point where the edges meet is called a corners. See, this one edges and this one corners. Okay. Give reasons. A cylinder does not have any corners. State why. The edges in a cylinder do not meet and hence does not have any corners. See, edges not meet. See, this is a curved line. This is also curved line. Here only one edge is there. So, the edges in a cylinder does not meet and hence does not have any corners. A sphere neither has corners nor edges statewide. A sphere has only one face, therefore it does not have any corners. In sphere has only one face. See here, only one face. Therefore it does not have any corners or edges. You can observe here there is no corners and no edges. Read the following descriptions and write the name of the shape. I have one curved surface, two flat surfaces, two curved edges and zero corners. Who am I? See here, one curved surface, two flat surface and two curved edges and zero corners. Who am I? Cylinder. Define tessellations. Shapes that fit together without leaving gaps in between or overlapping form is called a tessellation. See, you can observe a brick wall. See, there is no gap. There is no gap and there is no overlapping. This is called tessellation. See here, this is not a tessellation. See, you can see here gap. This is not a tessellation. You can see here overlapping. So, overlapping, see, overlapping. This is the overlapping. So, this is not a tessellation. It's very easy. You don't have gap without leaving gap in between and overlapping. This is called tessellation. And we can saw so many of tessellations. Name any two objects that from your surroundings that show tessellations. Carpets, quilts and tiles and buildings. You can see so many of tessellation designers, same pictures like that. You can saw. So this is called a tessellation. Okay. Thank you, children. Your first chapter is over. If you have any doubts, put message. Okay. Bye.